Have you ever wondered what you're supposed to do if your battery catches on fire? Well, first things first, don't panic. The battery's gonna smoke, so you definitely want to be in a well-ventilated area. Obviously, never stab the battery like I'm doing right now. This is for experimental purposes. You want to avoid bending the battery while it's pierced, because that could be really dangerous.
Oh, what's that? Oh.
As a tech, believe it or not, you should have a bucket of sand. Just gonna place the battery in the bucket of sand, and we're gonna place this outside for a couple hours. Leaving the battery alone is not the move because it could spark and catch on fire. Stay safe out there.